Applying for a mortgage or auto loan is nearly impossible if you have a poor credit score. And maybe you've tried being patient, but the truth is that your credit won't fix itself. So what can you do? Lucky for those of us with less than impressive credit, there are legitimate credit repair services that can help you work to repair your credit. So what do credit repair companies actually do? And does credit repair work? Let's start with the basics. What is credit repair? Credit repair is the process of removing any questionable negative items from your credit. And if all goes according to plan, it does happen sometimes. It could potentially improve your credit score. This process is typically carried out by a credit repair company or organization for a fee. A reputable credit repair company will work to help you understand your credit report and dispute any inaccuracies with credit bureaus and other creditors on your behalf. Credit counseling organizations are typically nonprofit groups that give you advice on debt and financial management. While a credit repair company may also provide financial advice, their focus will be on helping you get a copy of your credit report so that you could analyze and address any inaccuracies or unfair items. They want to educate you to take control of your financial future. How does credit repair work? Each company's methods are going to be slightly different, but in general, the credit repair process can be broken down into 3 simple steps. Step 1. Review your credit report. Step 2. Dispute discrepancies. Step 3. Monitor results. At credit repair companies like creditrepair.com, they call the process check, challenge, and change. Check. When you sign up, they will immediately pull your credit reports from the major credit bureaus, TransUnion, Experian, and Equifax. They'll work with you to identify any negative items that might be unfair, inaccurate, or unsubstantiated. This will clue them into exactly where they should focus their efforts and how to build a strategy that will fit your personal goals and needs. Challenge. Next, they'll help you address your questionable negative items by submitting a challenge, dispute, or intervention on your behalf. You don't even have to interact directly with the credit bureaus and your creditors because they'll do it for you. Change. You can even opt into a score tracker that tracks your credit as it improves and keeps you updated every step of the way so you can stay on track with your goals. A trusted credit repair company like creditrepair.com can save you time and ensure every step is done correctly. In short, we do all the legwork for you so you can focus on what really matters. Now, you might be wondering how much all of these services for credit repair cost. Of course, credit repair won't be free, but any good service won't be, right? Good news is that creditrepair.com doesn't charge until they've begun the process of repairing your credit. So you'll be able to see the magic beginning to happen before you ever hand over your hard-earned cash. They also offer service levels for every budget and need, including basic, moderate, or aggressive service levels. The basic package is recommended for those who only have a handful of negative items. The moderate service is for those who have a more substantial amount of negative items. Lastly, the aggressive service level is for anyone who has a lot of negative items on their credit report. Regardless of how much you end up paying for credit repair services, you'll almost always end up saving more money in the long run. Why? Because a poor credit score could result in higher interest rates. Plus, there won't be a lot of available options when you're shopping for a mortgage, auto loan, or even a personal loan. That's why I would recommend repairing your credit sooner rather than later. Seriously? Don't settle for bad credit. Working with a legitimate credit repair company could save you thousands of dollars, which could turn into a mortgage or even help you start saving up for a car. Be sure to check out the full credit repair tips playlist in the video description and leave a comment below. And if you have more questions about your credit, visit www.creditrepair.com.